Hola, mi nombre es Sandra and I use Colectivo Multipolar for my photography business. In this video I will show you how to transform this space, this messy space, into a DIY photo studio. It could be in your room, it could be in a living room, it could be basically anywhere. I'm using an affordable budget to buy the materials. However, you probably have those materials around. And for the photo, I'm gonna be using my cell phone. I will take in the photo with the camera app that is already in your phone. And for editing, I will be using the Photos app, which they have the option to edit, so you can crop, you can enhance the contrast, etc. So we can go over that. What is important to remember for a photo shoot? Okay, so basic things that you need to think in any photo shoot, and it's personal recommendation is your concept, right? What concept you have, the idea can change. But have a concept, have an idea, think about your lighting, think about your background, what you're gonna use in your background, and think about your props. Props are objects that you can use in your photo shoot so they can have kind of a statement into your photo, into your image, or just have them for fun. Also, the kind of vibe that I want for this photo shoot, it's 90s clubby kind of vibe. My background in photography is I've been photographing queer nightlife events, but I will show you some of my work and in the meantime. And yeah, so that's the vibe of today's video. We're gonna be shooting some really colorful stuff. So yeah, think about those things and let's do it. Thank you for watching. Checklist and process. You will need a foam board or any cardboard, metallic foil, masking tape, a lamp. This will be your key light. Use a diffusion fabric so the light is not too hard. Just make sure to avoid the contact with the light bulb. They can get hot. You need a couch or a chair. I'm using my red couch. Get ready your looks and accessories. Watch the other tutorials if you want to make your own outfit. Organize the space where you're going to work. This is super important. First, we're going to wrap the cardboard with the metallic foil. Use the masking tape to secure the edges. You are creating a light reflector in order to avoid unnecessary shadows on your face. Please use the less shiny side of the foil paper. I decided to use a plastic table cover because it is wider. Use this plastic table cover as your background. Place your reflector on a table close to your face. The lamp should be in front of you. Remember to use a diffusion fabric. You're actually creating a kind of a softbox. Set your cell phone on a tripod. Set your camera timer. I would recommend 10 seconds for some testing time. Try not to use the selfie mode since the quality of your photo will decrease. So use the timer and have fun trying your poses. Testing. I believe we got it. We're ready. Time to try your looks. Second test. Good. Now, I'm going to show you the setting that I use to edit my photos using the Photos app. So I select the app. Then I select the photo that I want to edit. I usually start with cropping my image. In this case, I will select the crop tool. And now select square. I'm selecting a square because I'm going to use it for my social media. Now that I crop it the way I want it, select filters and select vivid. Then go back to adjust and start playing around with the different functions that are basically the same ones that any photo app or software has. Exposure, brilliance, highlights, shadow, contrast, brightness, black point, saturation. And I personally love to use this function as well as vibrance, warmth. This is basically the temperature of the colors in your image. It can be warm, so it's more yellow, or cold, and it will be more in the blue spectrum. Try the other adjustments if you like. I will jump to the vignette to make it more dramatic looking. Review, and if you want to make some changes, do it. This is your post-production editing moment. And then select done, and your photo will be saved. Let's see the results, before and after. Let's try another one. I love this look. I imagine a CD album cover. So once again, try the different adjustments for your editing process. And now the before and after. I like it. In this one, you can see the reflector under my face, and you can notice that my face has an interesting lighting. In this one, you can notice that the light is soft on my skin without any editing process. Now, you can see how I change the contrast, saturation, and brightness. Thank you for watching this DIY, do-it-yourself, photo studio tutorial video. I am Colectivo Multipolar, and don't forget to have fun.